We're going on a road trip from Texas to Florida and we're making stops in between. So come along as I pack my mom's suitcase.
I'm going to be completely honest. This got very overwhelming very fast. But let's see if we can put this stuff in the bags first, I guess.
Now, at this point, I was really contemplating, is this all going to even fit in this little suitcase? Now, I originally started off with my duffel bag because that's my go-to bag, but it did not fit because of my jeans, so I had to find a suitcase, and this is the only one I can find, even though I know we have more.
Sunglasses, just in case.
And it might look like a lot, but we're going to be gone 7 days, and I figure we need some extra outfits just in case. You never know if you fall in a mud puddle or you spill a drink. Thankfully, it all fit. Make sure you're following along so you can see where our first stop is.